All right, folks, let's talk about something important today. Amnesty. What exactly is amnesty, and why does it matter? Amnesty is a pardon extended by the government to a group or class of individuals. Imagine your teacher forgiving the entire class for a missed homework assignment. It's a bit like that, but often on a much larger scale. Governments usually grant amnesty to people who have committed political offenses like treason or rebellion. But why would they do that? Well, amnesty can help restore peace and bring unity after periods of conflict. For example, after a civil war, a government might grant amnesty to rebels to encourage them to lay down their arms. It's a way to start fresh and move forward. Sounds pretty powerful, right? But remember, amnesty doesn't mean forgetting the past. It's about acknowledging what happened and deciding to forgive. It's a tool for healing and reconciliation. There are different types of amnesty. Conditional amnesty might require individuals to confess their crimes or participate in rehabilitation programs. On the other hand, unconditional amnesty is granted without any strings attached. It's also worth noting that not everyone agrees with the idea of amnesty. Critics argue that it might allow people to escape punishment for serious crimes. So it's often a topic of heated debate. In summary, amnesty is a complex but essential concept in the world of politics and law. It's about balancing justice and mercy to build a better future. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more simple guides. Catch you next time.